everyone. Welcome to my channel. So today I am explaining Forest of India, 4th standard, 11th chapter, SST. So let's begin. Take out your textbooks. The tree and other plant that grew naturally in a region are called natural vegetation. What? The tree and other plants grow in naturally is called natural vegetation. Okay. Now, the natural vegetation found in a place depends on the climate and soil of the place. So, it depends on a climate and the soil of the place. So, now I am going to explain you about importance of forest. Importance of forest. What is the importance of forest? Forest, first I'll give small definition. Forests are important in natural resources. Forests are useful to us in many ways. Important products we get from forest are, first only I'll introduce them: timber, firewood, wood pulp, rubber, gum, cork and resin. Medicines from medicines. Okay, now importance of forest we will learn here. Forests are useful to us in many ways. We get several important products from forest. Some of them are, we will get several important products from forest. Some of them are, now I told, timber, which is mainly used for building house and making furniture. Yes, timber is of course to use that making furnitures and building houses. In your house also furnitures will be there. They are used in making with timber. Ask to your mother or parents or father like that. Okay. Firewood, which is used as fuel. Firewood is used as a fuel. Okay. Fuel means fire, like that. Firewood is called as fuel. Fire only is as fuel. Like that it is a twisted part. Now come to wood pulp. Wood pulp. Wood pulp, which is used to make paper. Wood pulp is used to make paper. See, these papers are made from wood pulp. Wood pulp, these papers are made from. Rubber, gum, cork and resin used to make paint. Rubber, gum, cork and resin are used to make paint. Okay. Medicines from trees such as neem. Medicines are useful in making medicines we get from neem trees. Okay. Now I'll come. This is about importance of forest only. Next point is there. Forests are useful to us in other ways too. Forest prevent. Forests are useful in other ways too. We are learning. We are in importance of the forest only, but the point is now we are learning forests are useful in other ways too. Forests prevent soil erosion and control floods. The tree supply oxygen to the air. Yes, of course, the tree supply oxygen to the air. They increase rainfall by keeping the air cool and releasing the water vapor in the air. They release they increase rainfall by keeping the air cool and release water vapor in the air. Okay. What they will do? They release water vapor in the air and A. Next, there are many communities and tribes who are almost completely dependent on forest for fuel, fodder, water, timber, and minor forest products. Okay, they has to depend on us for fuel, fodder, water, timber, and minor forest products. Forest provide shelter to wild animals. What? Forest will provide shelter to wild animals. Understood this first page para? Now I am telling you all, means explaining types of forests. So now I am explaining you about types of forest. There are 5 main types of forest in India, means Bharat. See, those are, first is evergreen, second deciduous forest, third thorn forest, fourth mountain or coniferous forest, fifth marshy or tidal forest. Okay, now I will tell a small definition about evergreen forest. Wait. A small, okay. Evergreen trees lose their leaves continuously. New leaves replace the old. The tree remains green throughout the year. Found in warm areas with plenty of rainfall. Rosewood, ebony and mahogany. These 3 trees are in evergreen forest. Found in warm places. They are found in what places? Warm places. Okay. Now I'll read that lessons. Evergreen forests are found in places that are hot and receive plenty of rainfall. Evergreen forests appear green throughout the year. What? The evergreen forest will be appear green throughout the year. It will appear green throughout the year. Okay. This is because the tree of the forest do not shed their leaves at the same time. Why it will appear green throughout the year? Because it do not shed their leaves at the same time. Rosewood, ebony and mahogany. Just now I told no. Rosewood, ebony and mahogany are the plants. Okay. Rosewood, ebony and mahogany are some evergreen trees in India. They are found on the slopes of the Western Ghats. Where they are found? They are found in the slopes of the Western Ghats. And in the northeast states of India, such as Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, and Tripura. There they are such as found as, okay, where they are such as found as Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, and Tripura. Okay, you understood about the evergreen trees, I think. Now we will wait. Evergreen trees understood. Deciduous trees. Do you know the meaning of the deciduous trees? No, you don't know. Let us learn in this class. In this video, I'll tell one small definition for deciduous trees also. See, and one small question. Deciduous trees are also called as monsoon forest. What deciduous trees are also called as monsoon forest? Correct. Trees shed all leaves for sometimes during the summer and winter season, such as teaks, sal, shishima, found in southern plateau, correct, and in the foothills of Himalaya. They are found in the foothills of Himalaya. Okay, now I'll read the para of the lesson. In India, deciduous forests are found in places that have a hot and dry summer followed by a heavy rainy season. They will be in a hot and dry summer, followed by a heavy rainy season. Trees in this forest shed all their leaves for sometimes during the dry and hot season. They will shed their leaves at some time during the dry and hot season. Where there is scarcity of water, deciduous forest, also called as monsoon forest. I have explained you just now in that definition. Teak, sally, and shishim are trees that are found in deciduous forest. What are found in deciduous forest? Teak, sal, and shishima are found in deciduous forest. Teak, sal, shisham are trees that found in deciduous forest. Teak, sal, shisham are found in where? Deciduous forest. See, I wrote here teak, sal, shisham. Wait. I'll write small. For a heading mahogany, I don't have space, so I'm not wrote. You can understand that. Deciduous forests are found in most areas of the southern plateau. Where does deciduous forests are found in? The deciduous forests are found in most places of southern plateau. And in the foothills of the Himalayas. They are found in the foothills of the Himalayas. Okay. Now we will come to thorn forest. In that, the examples I write. What is their found? What is the foundation of their? I'll read. Before that telling, I will tell a small explanation. See, about thorn forest, I'll tell now. Wait. Thorn forests are found in areas like Rajasthan and some part of the Deccan Plateau with little rainfall, having short and thorn trees. Kikar and babul are the trees that grow in a thorn forest. Okay, keep it in mind. Which forest does grow in thorn forest? Kikar and babul trees grow in a thorn forest. Now I'll tell that lessons para. In India, deciduous forests are found in places that have a thorn forest. Thorn forests are found in areas with very little rainfall. Thorn forests are found in the areas such as they have very little rainfall. Short and thorn trees such as kikar and babul and thorn shrubs grow in such forest. The plants have needle-like leaves or leaves in the form of spines. They have needle in the form of spines. They have needles in the form of spines. To prevent loss of water, they'll prevent the loss of water. Thorn forests are mainly found in Gujarat and Rajasthan. Correct. They are mainly found in Gujarat and Rajasthan. And in some part of the Deccan Plateau. Mountain coniferous forest, marshy or tidal. I'll continue in the next. So stay tuned for the part 3 of this. Part 2 of this. Bye bye.